Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to insert scanned image in Word from your mobile phone. Let me show you how to insert scanned images from Word in your mobile phone itself. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to get all kind of notification. Yes, from my mobile, I just opened Word application. So I would like to create a new document. So I just type Word. So Word application is a free application. So you can create a document from your mobile phone itself with a professional way. So I just want to create a new document. So I just click a plus button to create a new document. And I just want to select a blank document. Once I select the blank document will be open over here. So I would like to scan and take a photo and make as a Word document. What I have to do? So on top you will find option called A and pencil button. Just hit the button A and pencil button. You will get a menu bar down box. So just choose home and you will find option called insert. Just select the insert option and you will get option called scan document. So once you click a scan document, so take some photographs, say take some pages. Automatically once you click means there will be an option, that is there will be a image camera will be open here. So take some pictures. So whatever picture you want you can take and scan. See, for example, I just want to take some photograph. So this is a photograph. If you want you can crop because my hands are there. So just crop this and confirm means automatically the scan copy will be scanned clearly and it will be pasted over here. I just click done means that scan, that is whatever I took the photograph, that will be scanned automatically. It will be insert in my document. It's a beautiful magic. It will be happen over here in Word document. So using this option you can create a different kind of a photograph, scan, copy, everything will be added over here. So I just want to click one more copy. I would just want to share this one. So I just click and wherever I want I can add that and I just click confirmation. So once I click a confirmation, the scanned copy will be added in my documents over here as you see here. So you can get a different kind of documents. So if you want to reduce the size of the document size and you can add according to your needs. So this is a beautiful option. Use Word application to scan and place your image in your Word document and save, and you can share as a PDF or anything else from your Word to any other social media. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching dear friends. Have a great and good day.